Hi guys, I want to share with you this video about a 2016 Ford Expedition. This video is going to help you to look for the replacement bulbs for this car. You can see it's good if you want to upgrade to LEDs or HIDs. These are the size that you need. For high beam, H9 or it could be 9005, and for low beam 9005 or H11. For the rear exterior, these are the bulbs that you need. Remember, you can pause the video if you need to see any bulbs in a specific. And this is for the interior. Please remember to like my video and to subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.